Welcome back. This is James with Accurate Crime Reporter. This video comes to you from Muskogee, Oklahoma. It involves a shooting that happened at the I Don't Care Bar and Grill located on West Shawnee Street. Now, this happened back on Monday, November 12th at around 2 o'clock. Apparently, this guy, Andrew Kana, was with a woman that he apparently tried to strangle out back on November 1st. Her ex-husband had called the cops and said he's in the restaurant with her. And you'll see what happens next.
In here! Relax. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't get your hands. He's got a knife. He's got a gun. He's got a gun. He's got a gun. 419, we have shots fired. Shots fired. 419, we have suspect down. He has a gun.
As you can see, things did not go well for Mr. Andrew Kana. Apparently, he decided he was going to pull a pistol on the cops, and he got himself shot and killed. This guy also had a warrant out for his arrest for trying to choke his girlfriend out back on November 1st. He also had a conviction for armed robbery, and he had a conviction for assault and battery. He's not a good guy. I'm going to put all the details, very lengthy, down in the description section. I'm also going to put a link to their Facebook. Now, this is to the Muskogee, Oklahoma Police Facebook, where you can get all the details and you can watch more of the video. And as always, thank you so much for watching our videos. Please subscribe, share, like, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for more videos. You all take care now.